Hey everybody, a super easy recipe is homemade pancakes at home. It's really easy. I put 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, give it a little sift, 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder. You can use, if you don't have like regular baking powder, you can use cornstarch and baking soda, equal parts. Mix that together. Half a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, 1 1/4 cups of milk, whole milk I prefer, 1 egg, what you got here, egg lambest, one of those, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, which I got stashed over here, and what was the other, oh yeah, my secret ingredient, a little bit of orange zest on the grater. Yeah, I know I got dishes going. A little bit of orange zest, squeeze a little bit of the orange juice in there, not a lot. And it's like, you shouldn't really taste orange pancakes, but like, it's supposed to be like a hidden secret ingredient. So, but it'll just wake up the pancakes, make it smack in my... Anyway, I wanted to make this a short video, under 2 minutes. So hopefully I've accomplished that. And rub a little butter in your pan, medium-high heat, and make some homemade pancakes. They're delicious. Enjoy. As soon as those bad boys on medium-high heat start showing a little bit of bubbles on the surface like that, it's time to flip them. You can take a little peek if you want, but I'm telling you right now, you can see they're ready to go. Yeah, you don't want to readjust if you miss the flip. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but there you go. And then we'll have a stack of pancakes here in a minute. Yum, yum, and I'm hungry.